Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you InVideo versus Pictory. Which AI video generator is better? Pictory and InVideo both are AI-powered video editing tools that use artificial intelligence technology to edit and create videos faster. Here is a quick comparison of Pictory and InVideo. Both are regarded as advanced AI video creation tools that are ideally best for bloggers, content creators, and video creators. In fact, Pictory AI and InVideo can help almost any type of online business, but they are especially built for video creators who want to create videos quickly with the help of AI technology, and both offer free trials to test out them. Pictory is an AI tool that converts long content like blogs, online seminars, audio podcasts, and white papers into high visibility video clips for easy distribution. This tool is transforming the way we create and edit videos. With this AI-powered cloud-based video creator, you can effortlessly generate professional quality videos in less time. If you let such a tool speed up and polish your content creation process, then you don't need to worry about complicated editing. While InVideo is a do-it-yourself video creation and editing platform that makes it possible for you to turn your ideas into compelling videos. It is a powerful and advanced AI-powered video creation tool that uses artificial intelligence to automate your video creation journey. With the ready-made templates, you can quickly create a video and customize it according to your requirements. Now, I am going to compare the feature of both the tools so that you can understand which tool is best for you. Here, I'm going to compare their entry-level plan, and let's see which offer more video exports at affordable price. On Pictory offers 30 HD video exports per month in the entry-level standards plan, while InVideo offers 60 HD video exports per month in the entry-level business plan. According to the data mentioned, InVideo offers more video export than Pictory, which is 60 videos at the best price of $15 per month, which is very affordable compared to today's market. In terms of the media library, both tools offers music tracks, AI voices, video clips, stock media, as well as templates. If I talk about Pictory, it offers media as a branded templates, more than 100 AI voices, 10 million get stock image library, over 34 text-to-speech voices, and up to 10K music tracks. On the other hand, InVideo comes with a 3 million plus standard video library, more than 10 stock media per month, and more than 1 million premium media. Here, I can say both offer a variety of media libraries. We can distinguish these tools in terms of media library. And both Pictory and InVideo offer a money-back guarantee to their users. That's why you can buy any of their plans without risk. If you're not satisfied with the tool, then you can request a refund. If you want to try Pictory AI or InVideo, you can find the link in the description below. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.